Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We have f of x over x minus 1 equals 2 multiplied by f of x plus x squared. And we're interested to find f of x. So let's consider the solution. From the given question, we have f of x divided by x minus 1 equals 2 f of x plus x squared. This is the given question. First is the x here are all members of real number but not equals 1. So the only value that will make this not to be valid is when x equals 1. Then aside from this, let's start finding the f of x. So the first is, let's test for involution. So if we test for involution, suppose I let this x over x minus 1 to be another function. So let's say I test for t of x. If I just choose t of x here to be equals the whole of x over x minus 1. So for every involution theorem, if I introduce another t, let's say I introduce another t here, so this gives t of x. This equals, so we are going to consider only t of x here. So now have t of x is also t over x minus 1. That is, every single x now become x over x minus 1. So if we try and substitute that, we are going to have the first one up will be x divided by x minus 1. Then divided, which is this division. So for this x also, we have x over x minus 1. Then here is minus 1 over 1. And by trying to treat only this division first, we have this equals x divided by x minus 1, then divided by this x minus 1, multiply this. And when it multiplies, everything gives us 1 over x minus 1. And by applying the rule of reciprocal, we have to flip this, and we have this as x over x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 over 1, and which everything gives us x. That is, this is the result of involution. For every t of x, it gives us x. So therefore, we have t of x. So this equals x. And in the next step, if I now let the whole of this to be equals y in the given function. So letting t of x equals x over x minus 1. So let everything also equals x. That is, in the real function, we are going to have f of y. This will give us 2 f of x, then plus x squared. Then after obtaining this, we are going to call this one equation 1. And also, I want to replace every single x here with y. So changing all this to y, we are going to have f of, so this becomes, since I'm changing everything to y, so this becomes t of x and equals 2 multiplied by, so we are going to have 2 multiplied by f of y, then plus y squared. And we know that t of x here, so this is given as y. Then we are going to have f of, so we are going to have this as t of y rather. So we are going to have this as f of x equals, so we have 2 multiplied by f of y, then plus y squared. So if I call this one equation 2, and let's solve this equation 1 and equation 2 simultaneously. So we have f of y here, so let's substitute it into this equation 2. So by substitution, we have f of x equals 2 into bracket of f of y, which is this. We are going to write it as 2 f of x, then plus x squared, all this in bracket, then plus, so we have y squared. And then, so if this is what we have, then f of x equals 2 times 2, that is 4 f of x, then plus 2 times x squared, that gives us 2x squared, then plus y squared. And note that for y, the y here is given as x divided by x minus 1, which is also the same thing as t of x. Then for y squared, we have it as x squared over x minus 1. So then substituting this with y squared, our equation becomes f of x equals 4 f of x plus 2x squared plus x squared over x minus 1 squared. Then, so by subtracting this here, we have minus 3 f of x equals, this is 2x squared plus x squared over x minus 1 all squared. And again, we are going to divide both sides by minus 3, and we have f of x equals minus, so this is x squared, this is x squared, taking out x squared, then divided by this 3, open bracket, we are left with 2 here, then we have plus 1 over x minus 1 squared, all in bracket. So this is the result of f of x. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.